All right, YouTube family, what's up? Right here from FCP Euro, we have a spark plug loom, brand spanking new, with the ignition coil jumper, and we're gonna replace this old wire setup right here. Luckily, they are all labeled, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that we don't get mixed up. I'm taking off the air intake as we speak. All right, YouTube family, what's up? Right here from FCP Euro, we have a spark plug loom, brand spanking new, with the ignition coil jumper, and we're gonna replace this old. All right, guys, air intake is off. I went ahead and in the little groove twisted this cap off of the loom. I'm sure this is the original loom since day one. So we have, all right guys, in perfect fitment. The hardware lands right on the existing screws, and we got 1 through 6 all the way through, and the new ones come labeled, so no need to get worried about mixing them up. All right guys, it seems to me as of right now that the spark plug loom was defective. This is the longest test drive I've done since the misfire, and around 2,000 to 3,000 RPMs. It's not fluttering. All right, gonna record this, guys. The car is feeling good. We're gonna go through first gear all the way to fourth. All right guys, and here is the old spark plug loom, still in good condition. Probably gonna clean these brackets up right here, save them, and you know, I don't know how to tell whether these are good or bad, but the car is running great. Yeah, La Maña. Stay there. All right guys, when in doubt, tell your older brother to test drive the car for you. This guy's been driving stick since he was 16. I just learned freaking two weeks ago, so he's gonna go take it for a drive and see how it feels. Thank you, big bro. You're good, you're good. All right guys, and that is the end of the test drive. Compared to these last 3 days of driving this car, let's talk about day and night feeling. The RPMs fluctuated through nice and smooth through 2,000, 3,000.